Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is Monday, August 1st, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla closed up 38 cents, 0.04%, closed at 891.83. Post-market, we are even Steven. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. If we only look at the 38 cents that the stock was up, we are missing most of the picture of what happened today. So we closed this high right here at the top of the red rectangle. We tried to go higher, and we indeed went higher for a certain amount of time, and then we were squished back down. But we never, look at this, we never really went below 886.48. So we are staying above this support right here. We have a bigger volume that we had during the past few days. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So as I said, we opened up with a little bit of a gap here, and then we're squished down. We tried a second time on the 2nd hour. We tried a second time to break this upper resistance. We tried the 3rd time, and then we gave up, and then we came back down to the support that I was talking about. And then we started going up a little bit, failed again, and now we are stabilizing there. We still have a stochastic over 60 on the 1 hour chart, so maybe we are going to go sideways for the rest of the week, or at least tomorrow. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at the indicators. So 84, still very powerful, and basically everything else is great. Even the RSI is still in the overbought position, most likely because of this big move up. So we had people buying Tesla at 933 today. We have people that wanted to buy it this high. But then what we need to look at is the herd. Having some people buying high is one thing, but having everybody's buying high, that's another thing. So this is not really what we got today. So I would almost qualify this as a pullback day. The pullback is not very strong, and the support at 886.48 is holding so far. What's interesting also is that we are pretty much respecting this upper resistance right here. We are respecting it. We broke outside, but we break inside. So it's not a break. We stayed inside. So maybe the stock is going to stabilize a little bit. We'll see. Let's go look at the VIX a little bit. And the VIX was coming down quite nicely, even broke this upward resistance, right? Upward support right here on Friday. But now we have a big jump back up. So this has had its effect on the stock market. So we have a gap up here. We came down a little bit, and then we came back up. This has affected Tesla. Let's look at Dow Jones, how they were affected themselves. So this is looking pretty much like Tesla. We tried to break higher, but could not. This is basically a sideways candle. Same thing for S&P 500. Same thing for NASDAQ Composite and NASDAQ 100. So NASDAQ 100, we were very close. So we had broken the upward resistance of this channel, but now we could not break outside of it. We came back down and just break just on it. Depending on your financial goals, you could set a little bit of a stop at some point here, maybe at 874. A tighter stop would be right at 886. But 874 is maybe a stop that makes a little bit more sense. You are the judge of that. Or if you are a long-term investor, then if you are not trading Tesla, then in terms of the daily chart, everything is still super good. So I would not jump to conclusions. We are still in this very bullish channel. We are still in this one. And if we break outside of that one, then we have another bullish channel right here. All is good for now with Tesla. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.